Hazrat Zohri has reported from Hazrat Urwa that this event took place 6 months after the Battle of Badr and before the Battle of Uhud. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu said about them, "It is He who expelled the infidels of the book from their homes for their first assemblage." Ibn Ishaq has also mentioned the episode of Mauna well and the Battle of Uhud after it. Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu says Banu Nadir and Banu Qurayza fought against the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam sent Banu Nadir into exile and favoring Banu Qurayza permitted them to reside therein. When they again waged a fight against the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, their men were killed and their women, children and property except those people who joined the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam granted them safety and they became Muslims, were apportioned amongst the Muslims. So all the Jews of Medina, Banu Qaynuqa, the tribe of Abdullah bin Salam radiyallahu anhu, the Jews of Banu Haritha and all other Jews of Medina were expelled. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4028.